Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today we are going to meet up with my friend Ra on his Talaria. I am currently riding the 76 volt upgraded Razor MX500 with supermoto wheels. Should be a good time. Got a backpack on, so I'm feeling a little funky. Oh, hate when that happens. I gotta set it up so that peg can't come up like this because it's sketchy in wheelies. Got a little meat here, I guess. Oh my gosh, so squirrely, but we've somehow kept it up. That was the squirreliest, sketchy little turn. There we go. What up? How we doing? Alright, we are about to head out. Let's get our circles in for the day. Feet up circles. Whew. We got a Talaria and then just like a pedal assist bike. I guess I'm leading. And into the ride out we go. Just three of us today. The Talaria, the Razor, and some random electric e-bike. Now we're getting some speed. So at this point, the lovely microphone just decided to stop working, but basically we rode all the way down to City Hall, obviously ripping wheelies. Completely beautiful day, just out in the sun, pretty warm too, but ripping wheelies. We actually came up on this group of bikers here. I was sticking my leg out to balance. Some guy on a stretched DRZ was trying to make fun of me using my leg to balance, which is funny because you're on a stretched DRZ. Luckily, we found some other folks who actually enjoy some sick wheelies. So I was able to share the happiness with this guy in this Polaris slingshot. He enjoyed the wheelies, but then we just ripped around City Hall. Unfortunately, we lost the other e-bike that we were with because we were just ripping it through traffic, but sorry, dude. Ron and I then switched bikes. I hopped on the Talaria. He recently put on a 48 tooth rear sprocket, so it should wheelie a little bit easier. So gave the wheelies a couple tries, and luckily the audio should be back now. All right, well, guys, well, worst case scenario happened. Mic wasn't working. Didn't get any audio for those clips, but Talaria is pretty sick. It's the real deal. I honestly, hold up, I'm gonna try it one more time. So fun. I really should just get one of these damn things. Definitely think I'm gonna sell my gas bike. Maybe get the Talaria R. Let's give this thing another go. I'm so pissed at the mic situation right now, but whew. This bike is so damn fun. Once you get used to it, then you can really start ripping it, but I think if I had it for a few days, I could really get some wheelies dialed. Oh, definitely realize how much a 76 volt makes a difference though, because you just are able to power out wheelies so much easier. This thing gets really, oh, finesse, damn it. Of course, when I'm having Rob film me, I can't get it. Oh, this feels so weird now. This feels so light, actually. All right, so we're gonna take this all the way up MLK and then head back down Kelly Drive. Oh, gotta remember the power of this thing and the size. So different. It's crazy how light this feels compared to the Talaria, I will say that. Looks so sick. Oh! Guys, I'm gonna assume none of the audio was recorded from earlier. So I talked about the new Talaria XXX. Thing is pretty sweet, although I'm not sure that I would get it over the Talaria R, because I am seriously thinking about getting a Talaria R if I sell my gas bike. But I wouldn't get it over that, I don't think, just because I probably would want to upgrade the Talaria to 72 volt, you know, the back 4000, all that stuff, and I'm just not sure the Sur-Ron XXX allows you to do that. So I really do think it'd be the Talaria R. Damn, they got this all closed down. Looks like we can't even get through.
Let's do the unthinkable. Right down the middle.
You gotta lean it lower, bro. Huh? On the dock? Yo, that's a small little area. It's slick. Bro, I almost just ate it. Hey. You climbed that mad easy. Ready? Supermoto wheels, hill climb, mode 3. Let's go. Woo. How you doing there? Dude, you can push it up, can't you?
Yeah, but I don't know where it goes to the other side at. That's where the street at, though. But I don't know what's up there.
Yeah, this doesn't look promising. Not wearing the grippiest shoes though, that's for sure. Why did I bring it up here?
Catching this footage, man.
Yeah, it should be pretty entertaining. We send it up this thing. It's a steep hill. Oh shit! Bro, you good? Holy
Oh shit.
Yeah, let me help you down. You got it? Let me get it down, I'll help you. You good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
Bro, thank God you didn't just go off that fucking ledge, dude. Holy shit. Alright, well you're good.
Got some good footage, boy.
She's a little dusty, but that's all.
And I'm gonna take it home and charge it up and write it down.
Definitely some good content. Dude, I am so glad that you grabbed me though. You would have fallen down to that.
I'll push you like towards like this way. Not
Yeah.
Whew.
Well, I'm glad Rod's good, because that could have been bad. Was good. Was good. Yeah, dude, it's a 76 volt upgraded one.
Dude, that's fucking gross. You did that yourself?
Yeah, it's an upgrade kit. It's 76 volts.
Dude, that's so gross. Like,
The kit's like $1,500 bucks.
God.
Yeah. So you can just. It's like half the price of a Talaria. You can't go wrong with a Grom either, though.
But that's different, dude. I fuck it. Yeah.
Dude, well, I ride it because I have a CRF 250 too, but I don't even ride it anymore because of this thing. I just rip this wherever I want.
Dude, I seen it. I was like, dude, the little MX 500, dude. I used to have one. I was like, no way you wearing that shit.
Yeah. Yeah, well, have fun, guys. Ride safe, y'all.
Stay safe out there.
You too. I'm probably not going to be back out, but good ride, bro. I'm glad you survived, bro.
Yeah.
That was scary.
I want you recorded that.
I have that.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I got
that.
that.
Get the other one, though.
Yeah, you had 2 close calls today. All right, dude, I'll see you. Well, guys, as always, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time. As always, more to come. Peace.